what you're saying. You're flying higher than a plane, and I'm not complaining.
Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be turning myself, well, I'm not trying because you know I don't know how to do makeup, right? So I'm gonna be trying to turn myself into an alt girl. I mean, I know alt means alternative, but I don't really know the meaning.
First of all, what even is an alt girl? They are typically characterized as teenage girls who have dyed their hair, wear thrifted clothes, and listen to alternative music as defined in Urban Dictionary. They are often rebellious and have a bad attitude, something like that. So it's mostly describing more like a indie girl because they wear thrifted clothes. They have two strands of their hair dyed, but they can also be as kind of the grunge look, but I feel it's more like an indie look that the definition is describing.
So I'm gonna put some concealer on. I don't even, I mean I kind of know how to do makeup, but not like really not. So all girls are like, I think they're like addicted to TikTok or something. Not really. They're like alternative, and they have their eyebrows are like short, but like they're like pointing towards up. They're like going like this, based off what I've seen on TikTok. I'd say their makeup is pretty simple. It's like, I know the main part of their makeup is like eyeliner, but I don't have eyeliner, so I'm gonna do it with like, what's it called? All girls, well, they're kind of like e-girls. I'm not really sure what I'm even turning into. So I'm using some blush. It's from Fit Me Maybelline. They like to wear a lot of blush, so. So I've seen that Doja Cat says that she puts them on her eyes to make her look like sick or something. Like it's kind of like what it is and stuff. The colorful only palette I have, the BH Cosmetics. So I've seen like girls do their eyeliner with eyeshadow, and so I want to do it like that because I don't have eyeliner. Like in the picture right here, I want to do that. And I'm gonna use the other side of it, the flat, you know, side that goes like this side. Ew, that looks so bad. I think they also have like fake, they sometimes draw fake eyelashes on the side. I'm like, this is literally not good looking. So I'm gonna try to do the other and see how it comes out. Okay, so I did this side. This side looks really bad, this one doesn't, so I'm gonna start over on this side. So I added a little bit of brown on the bottom of a smoky eye. It's not bad, but it's also not too great. So do the mascara because I know they wear lots of mascara to make their eyelashes. So I've decided to put lash in since I can't find my eyelash curler. So I'll put on these lashes. Okay, so I think the eyelashes are still the best option. Okay, so it doesn't look good, so it's not stylish looking like, so I'm just gonna take it off. I've literally been trying to do my eyelashes and it's not even working. Okay, so I want to do like this cool look thing that I've been seeing how people do it. So I decided to put the lashes back on because they don't look as weird as they did before. So it's like my eyelashes aren't curling. This gloss smells like cherry. I'm done with my supposed makeup. It did not turn out well. Doesn't look good. So now I'm gonna do the hairstyle they have. Like they just like pigtails or something. And right, look at it. It's like freaking crooked. So I'm gonna part my hair. That's literally the only style I could come up with. And these are my bangs. They're sticky. So I needed two pigtails. It looks quite weird. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is the outfit to go with. This ankle's so it's just the pigtails, the crop top, because I'm not gonna show my toes. But this is the look. Honestly, overall, I think the look was not that bad, but not my type of look. So interesting experience. My makeup, I don't know if it looks good or not. Like, so thanks for you guys for watching, and I hope you love the video. Make sure to like and comment if you want, and yeah, bye.